Welcome to the world of Q. Imagine if you could see if your garage door is open just by looking at your keyboard, or if it's going to rain tomorrow, or if your friend is streaming on Twitch. This is all possible with Das Keyboard Q.
In this video, we'll show you how to create your Q accounts, how to view your CPU usage on your keyboard, and how to change the color of all keys of your Das keyboard by changing profiles.
First, sign up for an account by clicking Sign Up on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Event notifications will appear on your keyboard. We call this the dashboard view. It is an exact mirror of what is displayed on your physical keyboard. When a notification is displayed on your keyboard, the Q button will turn green. Press the Q button on your keyboard and you'll be able to read the notification in the Signal Center. Alternately, if your Q app is open, the dashboard mode will show the signal in a pop-up window when you mouse over the key where the signal is. To read the details, click on the Open icon or on the Q icon on the top right. Once the Signal Center is open, clicking on the eye icon will show the signal details. When you are done, you can dispose of the signal by clicking on the trash can icon. This will also remove the signal color on your physical keyboard.
Now let's view the Customize tab. In the Applets tab, you can install and configure applets like the CPU usage monitor here. There are more to discover on the left, like the weather forecast and stock quote monitor.
One last thing. In our video, all the keys are blue. This is called the keyboard profile color. Notifications are superimposed on top of the profile color. To change this blue color, select a different profile. Remember, if you use a rainbow type of profile or anything that's super colorful, it's going to be challenging to distinguish it from the signals that arrive on top of it. So we recommend a darker profile color for an optimal experience. For overachievers, you can change color key by using the toolbar below. This will be explained in another video, linked in the description as well. Now you know how to create signals and change the color of your keyboard. We hope that you and Q will do some really cool things together.